All right, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. It's October 7th, Friday, payday! And we are looking to get this project completed and move on to our next greener shingle roof rejuvenation treatment by No Mess Roof Rejuvenation. That's right. We're coming to this home in Glenlock Farms, Spring, Texas. Shout out to Concepts, Home Concepts, for our advertising. They are awesome. When we advertise with them, they do the designs and layouts perfectly for us, and then when we have input, they have no problem taking that input and applying it to our ads. But 9 times out of 10 theirs is far superior than we could ever thought of. So what we're doing here is, again, a greener shingle treatment from No Mess Roof Rejuvenation, and it's depleted of the asphalt oil significantly. It's got black algae all over the roof. Luke, do me a favor, start on the other side. Yeah, as soon as I do a video, you're gonna put the blower right where I'm at, man. So he has to start on the other side. So I got to be real quick about it. But nonetheless, we're gonna put the oils back in the shingles. So they're designed with petro oils. They've been depleted significantly, so we're gonna go back with an all-natural soybean oil. It's gonna glue the granulars back in place, put the tackiness, the pliability back in the shingles so they can absorb any impacts like pea-sized hail, and then it's going to kill that black algae, smother it, kill it, and then it's going to gently wash it away over time. And I tell you, it's not going to be a brand new roof, but it's going to act like a new roof, and that's what you're looking for, to get as much life out of your aged shingles as you possibly can. And this roof is it's significantly old, so we want to turn around and try to get as much life. It said it was a 30-year roof. Well, let's see if we can get 30 years out of this. Let me turn this around, and there we go. You see the black algae. So we start out with the gutter cleaning, and then a significant thorough roof tune-up, and then we do the greener shingle treatment, and it doesn't take very long. You can see what the shingles used to look like from a patch job, and there's the black algae. And then I would say give it some time, and that black algae, let me turn this around, will gently wash away, and those shingles will look very similar to what the patch job looked like. So we're very excited about treating this roof, because we know it is going to have a significant difference, because his neighbors close to him have black algae. It's a nice spot for the treatment to be seen and done. Let me flip this back around so you can see his neighbor's house over there. See up underneath the chimney? See how clear that is? Those shingles weren't replaced. There's zinc additives in that metal, and it's cleaning the shingles. And then the rest of it has black algae. Not on this side, oops, but over there. We always put our safety signs out, and then we turn around and try to block it off so people aren't coming through here. Not that anything's gonna harm it, but just, you know, honestly, it has to do with presence. And there's our sign. And then of course, here is our vehicles, my other vehicle. So we're looking to get this roof tip-top shape, saving them thousands and thousands of dollars in regards to roof replacement. We did gutter cleaning, we did roof tune-up, and then we installed a 4 Seasons solar high-profile fan as well in the back. So we're taking care of all of that in one day, and I would say we should get done with the treatment within the next hour. I'm gonna flip this. There we go. And it's gonna look nice. And then we'll come back in about 6 months to turn around and check on the shingles. We'll do a pliability test. It's totally free. There's no additional cost for that. Obviously, that's what free means. And then we take a little video and take some pictures showing them how pliable the shingles are. And I'm going to walk over to my truck because I want to show you how pliable new shingles should be. And then we'll come back again 6 months after that. So for the first year, we're actually with you. And you get a transferable warranty with this as well. 5-year transferable warranty. You can apply this product up to 3 times. And we like to come back so you can see how pliable it is and how much it worked versus the first time that we were out there. And then also we want to make certain that everything is documented for you through your insurance companies in case things change, or if a storm comes through, you can show that you're doing preventative maintenance. Let me turn this around. Now this is a Z Ridge, okay, GAF Z Ridge. There's a shingle, new shingle. All right, so we're going to take this right here and we're going to see it's very nice and tacky. See how that just comes up, goes back down? Nice and tacky. That's where we're going to get his shingles to be like. All right, now as soon as Luke, which I think he is done, we're going to go back over there and show you how his shingles are. But look at that, nice gummy, tacky shingles, aren't coming off, doesn't leave a line there. That's what it's going to be on a brand new roof. All right, so let's come over here to where his roof is. Let me turn this back around to me. Whoop. There I am. And check his shingles. Man, that's really bad. Let me show you this. Let's see if I can zoom in. Look at that black algae right there. Ugh. That's really bad. So we're gonna get that to come clean. There we go. And then looking forward to getting this done. It doesn't have to be that long. Thank you, Pablo. And then we're gonna turn around and check his pliability on his shingles. Let's take a look at it real quick. Here I go. And we can see, well, let's just look at the gutter's nice and cleaned out. It's the way it's supposed to be, nice and clean. You can see the granules. It is an aged roof, and it is hard. I mean, it is hard. Look at that. Those shingles don't, and I can't bend that. If I bend it, it'll break. So that right there, and I'm sorry. I'm trying. No, if I turn around and go any further, it's gonna snap. So hard shingles, and we want them to be pliable. I apologize. I don't mean to keep moving the camera all over it, but those are super hard. So what we're gonna do, turn around, put asphalt oils, the asphalt oils that were put in there, we're gonna put the soybean oils in there, all natural products, not gonna harm anything. And then it's gonna glue those granulars down to the shingles, and it's gonna reactivate that tar strip that's underneath there. And then of course put a nice watertight seal so we got some good shedding for the water. And the biggest thing is just having the tackiness on your shingles, making sure that they're able to absorb some impact for small size hail, not large size hail. Not even a new roof can absorb golf ball or grapefruit size hail, but we want to give some type of pliability, tackiness. So the roof is going to last another 5 years, and that's what he gets, is another 5-year warranty from us and Greener Shingles. And then he can do it 2 more times and get up to 15 years and get this roof up to the standards of what the manufacturer originally suggested in regards to the life of it. And then we also offer a catastrophic warranty. But nonetheless, I'm gonna let you guys go, and we're gonna start the treatment pretty soon, and then I'll do a video afterwards so you can see what it's like, and then we'll come back 6 months later, come right back to the same spot and check those shingles and show you how pliable they are. We appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, hit the little bell button, leave a comment, I'll reply to it. This is Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. I appreciate it. Thank you now. Take care.